Baby Bus!
Mini episode on safety. Woof!
Good morning, Miss Brownberry. I hear you're going on a road trip this weekend.
That's right. As they say, life is short and the world is wide.
Well, where are you off to?
Angel, I'm going to get my car service.
Oh? Is your car not working properly? What's wrong with it?
No. That's not it. A vehicle should be maintained regularly. All cars should be inspected to ensure there are no safety issues, especially before driving long distances.
Yeah, Miss Brownberry's right. Time to learn safety with Sheriff Labrador. Regular maintenance of vehicles is an important part of driving safety. To avoid vehicle breakdowns and ensure personal safety during driving, it is necessary to regularly repair and maintain all vehicles, including cars and bicycles. Kids, please remind your parents to get their vehicles inspected regularly.